Joining me today is legal analyst attorney Mark NeJame of the NeJame Law Firm. Traumatic brain injuries arise from a host of different circumstances.
It's often overlooked by personal injury lawyers. If people think that you have to have this massive mallet to the head type of thing in order to have, the reality of it is that people often with the strong jolts from a fall or from a car accident, then they can have some serious damage and it needs to be checked out. And sometimes these don't really manifest themselves until later. So that's why it's important if in fact you've had a blow to the head. Actually the number one reason that people have TBI is slip and falls. Second is car accidents. Third are sports injuries. A simple auto accident can bring it out. A slip and fall in the bathroom, a kitchen, in a commercial area, somebody else's premises. You can have significant injury as a result of that. It can be lifelong and it can affect you later on. So it's why it needs to be checked. Try to figure out where it came from because it might manifest many years later and you're not even thinking that that accident might have caused it. You might not even have any legal remedies. A lot of lawyers simply don't get into it. They don't know where to go with it. They kind of slough it off. Somebody says they've got a headache and they kind of let it go. You don't check it out. And then years later it surfaces, then it really becomes difficult to then show that your injury, there was a nexus, there was a connection between now your cognitive issues and everything else and connecting it to an accident that happened many years ago. People need to share that with their healthcare provider and their attorney so that the proper evaluation can be made because it's often overlooked and people want to think they're okay and many times they may not be.